Minister Tufton indicated at the time of the announcement that the government would review the situation as it relates to those firms or entities that generated their own scrap metal with a view to establishing criteria or conditions under which they will be allowed to export the scraps that they generated. But away from the glare of the media attention that accompanied the announcement of the ban on exports of scrap metal, an act you'll all recall that was widely supported by the public, the government quietly did the following things. It granted an extension of the deadline for entities who had scrap metal already entered for export until September 16, 2011. By its own admission, it granted licenses to at least 2 entities that it determined generated their own scraps before promulgating before promulgating the requisite regulations governing the criteria, terms and conditions for the grant of such licenses. And it also facilitated other entities who evidently exported scrap metal through intermediaries in clear contravention of Section 3(2)(b) of the Trade in Scrap Metal Prohibition of Dealing No. 2, Order 2011, which provides in relevant part, and I quote, "This order shall not apply to scrap metal that, in B, was generated by a body in its normal course of business. However, that such scrap metal may only be exported directly by that body and not by a person acting on behalf of the body, whether as a subcontractor, agent, or in any other capacity," unquote.